Hey guys, my name is Kayla and today I'm going to show you a makeup tutorial with some of my favorite products. First, I'm going to go in with Urban Decay Primer Potion and a concealer brush and just prime my eyelids. Next, I'm going to go into Through My Eyes palette from ColourPop and apply and I wink all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take Euphoric with an eye crease brush and put that into my crease. Next, I'm going to take an all over shader brush and just on the tips, I'm going to go into Lomo and also add that into my crease. Next, with a small brush, I'm going to go into my outer corner with Misbehave. Next, I'm going to take that concealer brush with more of the primer potion to do our cut crease. Next, I'm going to use a flat shader brush and go into Mesmerize and pack that all over my lid. And here's the finished eye look. I love this palette because of the bright, fun colors that it has. I'm going to clean up the eyeshadow that fell below my eye. Now I'm going to prime the face with this e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist, which I love because I have oily skin, so it really helps to control the oil on my face. And then I'm just going to rub that in. Next, I'm going to take that Ulta Beauty Under Eye Primer and prime the underneath my eyes. And I use my middle finger because it's the softest. And your under eye area is the thinnest skin on your face. Next, I'm going to color correct with the Ulta Beauty Yellow Color Corrector, which I found is the right color for the redness on my skin. I'm going to blend that in with a Complex Culture concealer brush. And next, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild concealer in Fair Neutral and conceal my under eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with a Complex Culture foundation brush and the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion foundation in Fair. I really like this foundation because it's lightweight and a more full coverage. Next, I'm going in with a Complex Culture press and set bronzer brush. I'm going to set my under eyes with the Coty Airspun translucent powder. Next, I'm going in with the Nomad Sydney Kiss of Sun palette. And I'm going to use Balmoral Beach as a highlighter. I'm using a Wet n Wild highlighter brush. Next, I'm going to go in with Bondi Beach for a bronzer with a Pro Precision tapered brush. Next, I'm going to go in with the Shayna B Miami blush brush and the Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus blush. And I'm going to use Petal. Next, I'm going to go back in with this Complex Culture bronzer brush and just blend and set the blush, bronzer, and highlight. Next, I'm going to go in with this Thera powder brush and set the rest of my face. Next, I'm going to use this Inmo Frozen Lipstick. And it's in Runway Red. It's beautiful red and gold flecked lipstick. And because it's a frozen lipstick, that means that it has a cooling effect. And the last step is setting the face with the Laura Geller Sparkle Mist Restore Coconut Water. Set and refresh. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.